when the prophet was talking, there was a man that refused to believe. Prophet said, see your mouth too sweet. Which kind tomorrow? How can you say by this time tomorrow, say I will get food, I will get money? And he said, you will see what you will not eat. Tomorrow is Christmas, right? Yes. Say, Professor. Say, do something. Do something for my Christmas. Farmer, by this time tomorrow, receive the best connection of your life. Your Christmas gift shall be a new connection. A connection that will change your story. Receive divine connection. By this time tomorrow, you meet a man, you meet a woman that will change your story. Say, I receive it. By this time tomorrow, new connection. Your Christmas gift is a new connection. Somebody will discuss your matter somewhere. They will send for you and change your story. Say, I receive. Give me the image. Will you have it here? Oh, I think I asked you to keep it for me. I forgot, but is that true? I think I asked you to keep it. But I didn't know that is late by you. Kept these things. Okay. Can I cut off your enemy's head? Wait. This image will be for tourism. I'll turn this image to 2015.